Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to delete your X account permanently. Recently, Twitter has changed its logo into X and now Twitter is known as X. Now, without any further ado, we're getting right into our video. The first thing we're going to do is open our Twitter app. Once you open your Twitter app, you'll be on the home page. From the home page, on the left-hand side corner, you can see your profile icon. Tap on it. Once you have tapped on your profile icon, you'll be on the page from where you can see various options. On the below, there is option settings and privacy. Tap on it. Once you're on the settings and privacy page, on the very first option, you can see your account. From here, you'll have to simply tap on it. Once you have tapped on your account, there are about 4 options that are account information followed by change your password and so on. On the very last option, there is a deactivate account option. In order to delete your X account permanently, the first step you need to do is deactivate your account. So tap on the deactivate account option. And once you have tapped on the deactivate account option, here it is said that if you deactivate your account, then it can be revived until the 30 days, and after it has reached the time limit of 30 days, it will not be able to be revived. So in order to delete your X account permanently, you will not have to log in into your X account within the 30 days time period. If you log into your 30 days time period, then your account will be activated again. And just like that, on the very end, you can see option deactivate written in red letters. From here, you'll have to tap on deactivate. After that, here you'll be asked to confirm your password. Make sure to confirm the password that you have used while creating your X account. And once you have confirmed your password, tap on deactivate. And just like that, here as you can see, your account has been successfully deactivated. And just like that, that was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to delete your Twitter account or X account permanently. Thank you for staying to the very end of this video. I hope you found our video helpful. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.